Hello guys. Today I will show you that how to connect your WordPress website with your SMM panel. So basically, when you will click, I have a SMM plugin. So you will install it from plugins, and after that, that plugin option will appear here. So when you will click on your APIs, it will open the tab of your SMM panel API credentials. Basically, where you will put your panel name, panel URL, and your panel key, and automatically the balance of your SMM panel will appear here. Okay, so you can edit new panel from here, and like from here and here. You can update it and do edit and reset your SMM panel credentials. So basically, after putting your API credentials here, your WordPress website will be automatically connected to your SMM panel. So after that, we can also view your SMM panel orders from here. So basically, these SMM orders are gone through from this WordPress website. Here are they. Like you can see, like order number, it is from your SMM panel, your WooCommerce ID, the date, order status, product, service link, quantity, everything is mentioned here. Also the API status. It will be automatically fetched from the SMM panel and also the WooCommerce order status. So basically now what I will do, now I will make a test order of your of the product and we will see how it goes. So I will add a new product. Instagram test likes. You can see our SMM panel name appeared here, and these all are the services types are supported in the plugin. Our SMM panel services will be fetched here. Now I can link the service type here. Okay. Now I'm adding the quantity keyword. Now I will add variations here. Now I will add pricing of these services. We will publish it. Now we'll add the URL of the current here to process this order. Now this order will go into our panel. We can view it by going directly to our settings. Sorry, we will go to into our orders and we will change the order status. And now check it out. The order will be shown in our SMM API tab. Look, it is processed, but the quantity we entered was wrong, but it is connected to our SMM panel automatically and it is all dynamic. If you want this plugin, yeah, you can let me know and I will provide you that, okay?